Okay guys, ngayon naman ang hustle naman namin is photography. Isang birthday, 60th birthday dito sa Mendez and isasama ko ulit kayo. Let's go!
Hindi kailangan ng engranding event para maging memorable ang isang celebration. Today, we were hired to capture a simple but meaningful 60th birthday celebration. Just family, close friends, good food, and genuine moments. Habang kumukuha kami ng photos and videos, mas na-realize ko na ito talaga yung magandang part ng hassle na to. Hindi lang kami basta nagpipicture, nagiging part kami ng memories ng ibang tao. And honestly, sobrang nakakatawa kapag mababait yung mga clients. They treated us like a family. Pinakain kami, pinasaya, at pinaramdam na welcome kami habang ginagawa namin yung trabaho namin. Minsan, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking production para ma-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo. You just need good people, good moments, and passion sa craft mo. Step by step, we're building our dreams while capturing memories for others.
Alright, tapos na ang ating event for today. So kung naghahanap ulit kayo ng photographer, videographer sa mga events na parating sa inyong buhay, please contact us. Ito ang social media na pwede nyong kontakin. So, yun. Kita-kits again sa susunod na kabanata. Let's go!